So today we're going to relearn the TPMS sensors in this 2011 Ford Edge. This will work for most Ford models. We're going to start by getting it into relearn mode. So you're going to want to hit the brake pedal, go 1, 2, 3 with the key, hit the brake pedal again, 1, 2, 3. You can hear the car beep, and we're going to start with the left front and work our way around. Every time you train the sensor, the car is going to beep, letting you know that it's received the information from the MaxiTPMS tool. Once you train all four, you get back inside, you notice it'll say training complete. So you turn the car back off and start it. The TPMS light is now gone. Fault is resolved.